Hey, let's see what happens internally when you try to execute a Python program. This is a 100,000 feet overview of how computer is able to understand the instructions written in Python. Let's assume you have written a program in Python and saved it as hello.py. Since this is a high level language which is English like, the machine will not be able to understand the instructions which you have written in this program directly. So there should be a mechanism to convert the instructions that you have written in this program to something which computer can understand. So the source code will be compiled into Python bytecode, which creates a file with extension .pyc. The bytecode generation happens internally and almost completely hidden from the developer. The bytecode is a platform independent representation of your source code. It is just translating the high level language into a low level language by converting the .py file into bytecode. This translation from source code to bytecode is performed to speed up the execution. The bytecode can run much quicker than the original source code statements. Now, this bytecode will be executed by the Python virtual machine. The virtual machine is just a big loop that iterates through your bytecode instructions one by one to carry out their operations. This virtual machine is an integral part of the Python system. This is a component which actually runs your Python programs. And this is the last step of Python interpreter.